You can now create viral UGC ads just like this one by clicking one simple button in under 10 seconds. Which means you can create 100 viral video ads for your dropshipping store or your e-commerce brand in just 20 minutes. Because the craziest part of all of this now is you no longer have to prompt the model, and you no longer have to give the video model an image to reference to then turn it into a video. Now, before I get into the video, guys, what I've also done to help you get the highest chance of success is I've created my full UGC AI playbook that goes over the keys to success. And I've even dropped my latest Facebook ad strategy in that playbook. Now, once we hit 500 likes on the video, guys, I'll leave it in the pinned comment and in the description below. So as you guys can see my computer screen, you can see I've got these 4 videos here. And these are 4 UGC viral video ads for my product. Now, if you pay attention closely to the bottom, you can see here it says product. I can select UGC. I can also select the ratio 9:16, the quality 1080p, and I can also change the duration of how long I want the video. Then all I've got to do is head over to where it says product, select my product, and then I click generate, and then I get ads just like these. Now, what's powering this whole setup is the new Higgsfield Marketing Studio. So before I carry on with the tutorial on how to use the new Higgsfield Marketing Studio, because there are some best practices that no one talks about, which I will be showing you, is all you've got to do is head over to Higgsfield by using my link in the pinned comment and in the description below. Now, once you've created an account, you're going to want to head over to where it says Marketing Studio. You're then going to want to go to where it says Product. You're then going to go over to where it says product on the right, and you're going to want to enter your product URL in here. Now, for an example, this is the product URL that I added to the account. Now, this is the 7-in-1 LED sculptor. Now, this isn't my dropshipping store. This is just somebody else's that I thought I would use to show you guys in this video as an example. Now, this is clearly a beauty influencer style store. Now, whatever is on the store, it will just pull that data out and use it within the creative. Now, if you want the best results possible for this, guys, you need to make sure the landing page that you're using has really good information about your product, because it will use that info when it's making the ad creatives. So then once you've added your URL, you're going to see your product loads up within around about 2 to 3 minutes. And then all you have to do is select your product. Then once you've selected your product, you can change it from UGC to tutorial to unboxing to product review. Now, for e-commerce and dropshipping, the ones that I use are UGC, tutorial, unboxing, product review, UGC try on haul if you're doing fashion. Those are the ones that I personally use the most. Then I'll recommend that you change it to 1080p. You change the duration to 15 or 10 seconds, and then you can choose the avatar that you want. Now, mine is a female product, so you can go through here and you can select any avatar that you want. Now, let's say, for example, I want to use Valentina. I can select, and then you can see here in the toolbar, it shows that I've got the product selected, I've got my avatar selected, and I've got these settings: UGC, 9:16, 1080p, 10 seconds, generate. And now you can see that my generation has started. So literally, that's all you've got to do. Click one button, select those options, and you'll get yourself a viral video ad. Now, before I move on to the best practices, because although this is amazing and the results are just game-changing, there is a better way of doing it if you want the best results possible. Now, before I get into the best practices on how to do this, I need to explain how this model works. Now, this essentially on the back end is using something called Seedance 2.0, which is the best video generation model on the market. But this is also being combined with Higgsfield's own in-house algorithms, which just makes everything so easy to do. Now, by this setup being in place, it allows to make sure that the product consistency is always there, the character consistency is always there, and the voice consistency is also there. Now, something else that I did want to mention is when you select the avatar, if you do want to create one, you can click create, and you can either generate it by uploading a text prompt, or you can upload an image. Because you got to remember, most of these avatars that you can see here, most people will be using them in the video. So I actually do recommend that you make your own avatar a little bit later on. Because the truth is, guys, a lot of people are going to be using the Higgsfield Marketing Studio just because of how good and how powerful it is. So these models will eventually be seen everywhere. Now, whilst I wait for that first video to generate, you can see some of my old generations here. So this one here is an unboxing video. You can see she's unboxing the product. This one is a tutorial video. This is a UGC call to action video, but you can see the results are really, really impressive. Now, the thing that you have to understand is these videos are 15 seconds long each. Now, this is where it becomes really important. Because remember, we're going to try and make ourselves viral UGC ads to run on Facebook, on TikTok, for our dropshipping or e-commerce store. So one 15-second video isn't going to be enough. And we also need to make it into a full ad, which means we need multiple clips to create a full ad. So this is where there is a best practice, which I'm about to show you, where you can create multiple clips that are designed to be added together to then create the final ad. Now, to do this, you're going to need to get access to my prompt. So you can see here, I've given you guys a full comprehensive prompt. Now, this prompt we're going to give to GPT 5.5 to create us different prompts to give to the marketing studio to generate different videos. So for example, we're not just going to use the UGC option, we're going to use a combination of UGC tutorial and unboxing to create one single ad. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is you're going to want to grab this prompt right here. You're then going to want to open up a new ChatGPT OpenAI window, and you're going to want to make sure that you're using the new 5.5 model as it's the most intelligent model, and you're going to want to make sure that thinking is turned on. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to paste the prompt, but you're now going to need to change a few things in the prompt. So you can see here product details. So where it says product details, this is where you're going to want to add this information. So you can see what you can do is you can remove this section and you can replace it with the information of your brand. Now you might be wondering, where the hell did you get all that information from for your brand? I literally just made a new GBT tab and I copied that in and said, make all this information based on this URL. And it literally just gave me this whole thing back. So now I can go back to the other chat and paste it in. And now all I simply need to do, guys, send this prompt to ChatGPT, and you can now see that it's creating me clip 1, clip 2, and clip 3. So now you can see based on clip 1, we can grab this prompt over here. We can now go back to Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and we can select our product again. We can then select UGC. We can paste the prompt, and then what we can do is we can select the avatar. Now, like I was saying to you guys before, I'd actually recommend that you guys create your avatar with a prompt. Now, you can go back to the same GBT conversation and say, make me a text prompt to create me an avatar for this product. And it will essentially create you the avatar based on the prompt. Now, just to save me a little bit of time, I'm just going to use one of the pre-made avatars. Now, once you've done that, guys, you can just click 15 seconds as the duration and click generate. Now, what you can do whilst that's generating is go and make the next clip. So go to clip 2, go back to Higgsfield, replace the prompt with the new one. Make sure your actor and product is selected again, but this time instead of it being UGC, it's going to be tutorial. And then you can click generate. And then clip number 3, we're going to copy that one again, and we're going to replace this prompt here. And then you can do the last one as product review. Again, make sure the product and the avatar is the same, 15 seconds, 1080p, and click generate. So what we've done there, guys, is we've created 3 different clips using the 3 different options. That way, we're gonna get a solid ad in the end. And just after a few minutes, the videos have now all been delivered. So let's check out the first video together.
I swear, the first place I noticed aging wasn't my forehead, it was my jawline and neck. I kept looking in the mirror thinking, why does my face look softer than it used to? I wasn't ready for clinic treatments, but I still wanted something I could actually do at home, so I started trying the Skinner Co. 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. I swear, the first place I noticed aging wasn't my forehead, it was my jawline and neck.
Now that's crazy good. The actor looks real. The way she's holding the product looks real. The way she's using it on her face, the way she's describing it, her eye contact, everything looks super legit.
To be honest, I was skeptical because I've tried so many skincare gadgets, but this is the first one I've actually stayed consistent with. My skin looks fresher, smoother, and my face just feels more looked after. Results obviously vary, but if you're noticing firmness, jawline, or neck changes, Skinner has free shipping, a 100-day money-back guarantee, and you can use code EXTRA.
Again, that one's so good. You can see that she's put oil on her neck because her neck looks a lot more oilier than before. She's tied her hair up now. Her hands look real. Her chest looks real. There was one little issue, but that's just the AI model hallucinating where her head just goes randomly big. But we can easily fix that by just putting a little bit of B-roll over that 2-second mark. But again, that video is good, so let's download it.
Okay, I finally ordered the Skin Elite Coat 7-in-1 LED Sculptor. My jawline and neck have been bothering me. Oh wow, so sleek. Honestly, not intimidating at all. I'm obsessed already. Okay, I finally
So that was the
ordered...
unboxing video. We can also download that one. Now this is the last video, which is the call to action video.
What I like is that it's not complicated. I just use it for around 5 minutes with my serum, doing slow upward strokes around my jaw, under my chin, and down my neck. It has LED light settings, microcurrent ESMS, heat mode, and vibration, so it feels like a mini facial massage, but targeted at the areas I actually care about.
Damn, that last part of the video looks so real. So now what we can also do is we can download this video as well. And now we've got all the videos, we can simply go back to CapCut. And now what I can do, guys, is I can drag all of these onto the timeline. And that brings the ad to 45 seconds, which is the right length to be an ad. So now we can watch this together.
I swear, the first place I noticed aging wasn't my forehead, it was my jawline and neck. I kept looking in the mirror thinking, why does my face look softer than it used to? I wasn't ready for clinic treatments, but I still wanted something I could actually do at home, so I started trying the Skin Elite Co 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. I'll be honest, I was skeptical because I've tried so many skincare gadgets, but this is the first one I've actually stayed consistent with. My skin looks fresher, smoother, and my face just feels more looked after. Results obviously vary, but if you're noticing firmness...
Okay, so there we have a little bit of an issue where the head just goes weird and big. So what we can do is we can take some of the unboxing video and we can find somewhere in here where she's also using the product and just replace the footage. And then what we can do is we can go to audio and turn this down, and then where it hallucinates. So I just need to figure out where the hallucination is. So the model hallucinates till that point, so we can just extend it there. And I also need to know where it starts. So it starts there. So I just need to put it back there. And now we can play it again. Now the last thing that I'm missing, guys, is a call to action. So I just need to add a call to action at the end. I can go back to that GBT model and just say, make me a clip for just straight call to action. And it will give you a prompt to make one for just a call to action, which will be like, click the link below to shop now, make it a UGC style on Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and just add that at the end. And you only need to make it 5 seconds. So change it from 15 to 5 and add the clip at the end. So now what we can do is we can actually go to where it says captions, auto captions, and generate. And just like that, the captions have now been added. And then obviously what we can do is we can go to captions and we can go over to where it says presets and we can change it. So we can change it to this yellow color or this purple color. So we can do yellow and we can go back. Or I can change it to this pink one, which is more branded. And with just this one simple workflow, you can create 10, 20, 30, 50 ads in around about 30 minutes.
I swear, the first place I noticed aging wasn't my forehead, it was my jawline and neck. I kept looking in the mirror thinking, why does my face look softer than it used to? I wasn't ready for clinic treatments, but I still wanted something I could actually do at home, so I started trying the Skin Elite Co 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. I'll be honest, I was skeptical because I've tried so many skincare gadgets, but this is the first one I've actually stayed consistent with. My skin looks fresher, smoother, and my face just feels more looked after. Results obviously vary, but if you're noticing firmness, jawline, or neck changes, Skin Elite has free shipping, a 100-day money-back guarantee, and you can use code EXTRA10. What I like is that it's not complicated. I just use it for around 5 minutes with my serum, doing slow upward strokes around my jaw, under my chin, and down my neck. It has LED light settings, microcurrent ESMS, heat mode, and vibration, so it feels like a mini facial massage, but targeted at the areas I actually care about. Oh, if you want to try this too, I will leave a link below.
Depending on how quick you are with prompting and clicking buttons, you can get it done very quickly. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Higgsfield using the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you guys are impressed with the results and you think this is a game changer, let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.